Chrissy Teigen brings Nipplegate back to the Super Bowl, but her reaction will make you love her even more. Today's episode is brought to you by The Uncarrier, introducing T-Mobile One. All unlimited, all in. Boom goes the dynamite, let the nipple be free. Although many are talking about the epic Super Bowl that went into overtime yesterday, or Lady Gaga's energetic and inclusive performance, thanks to Twitter, there's a large group of people talking about Chrissy Teigen's nipple. As the camera panned to different celebrities enjoying the game, including Mark Wahlberg and Elton John, people started talking when it landed on John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. You see, Chrissy went braless under a fishnet top, accompanied with a brown jacket, but her nipple was exposed briefly while the camera was on them. Now, this is a huge deal, people. A nipple was exposed. Do you remember when this happened to Janet Jackson during her performance with Justin Timberlake at the 2004 Super Bowl? It made headlines. However, times have changed. We are in 2017 now. The Free the Nipple movement is huge, and it's just not that big of a deal. One Twitter user zoomed in on her top and tweeted her, and her response was just, boom goes the dynamite. Don't you just love her? Teigen was already live tweeting the Super Bowl with her hilarious commentary, and she's so funny in her videos.
Things are happening. Chrissy Teigen live here on the sidelines. We are in the 25th quarter.
Guys, I swear she's my spirit animal, and she's always eating like me. But now I have to hear from you. What do you think about Chrissy's slip and how she responded? You know what to do. Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to Clevver News. Thanks so much for watching. I'm your host, Emil Ennis Jr., and I'll see you later. For more, check out a recap of all the celebrity-filled Super Bowl commercials from the big game. And we'd like to thank our sponsor, T-Mobile. T-Mobile One is all unlimited, all in. Switch today.